I wanted you all to see how much love, energy, and effort was put into loading this 18-wheeler with items from 7 different fire departments, and the truck driver actually drove all night from Pennsylvania. So a huge thank you to them, and a huge thank you to everyone in Vidor, Texas that helped us unload this truck. We would like to thank all 7 fire departments that contributed to this 18-wheeler truckload donation, which was brought to Vidor, Texas. Just thank you. You guys have helped so many families that lost everything and were affected by Harvey. This video is to show everything that you brought into the town. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you're able to impact the people affected by Hurricane Harvey. Thank you, Tiffany from Cookie Comfort for Texas, the Facebook group. Now I would like to show you just a small glimpse of how many thousands of people you guys helped with just this one truckload delivery. This is what it looks like every single day in Vidor, Texas. Here we are just over a month later. These pictures are worth 1,000 words, and we really want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Hopefully we can rebuild this town and all the other towns affected by Harvey as quickly as possible.